Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To fix a procedure entry point error, start by reinstalling the program that's causing the error. This issue often arises due to corrupt files or incompatible versions. If that doesn't resolve the problem, update your system and any relevant drivers, as outdated software can lead to compatibility issues. Running a system file checker scan, SFC, scan now, in the command prompt, can also identify and fix corrupted Windows files. If the error persists, consider restoring your system to an earlier point or seeking specific patches or software updates from the program's manufacturer.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.